Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is a game changer. This on the screen, well, this is on the screen keyboard, but I'm a terrible writer and terrible speller. And if you take your text tool and click it, and then if you go to Windows H, a microphone comes up. And anything it hears, it will make a sentence out of it. And I don't know exactly how to keep going. You know, I guess you could make a separate line, but let me start over. Let me turn the microphone off, and I'm going to wait this time. And I'm going to click, you've got to click on your text, Windows. Now this time I'm not going to say anything until I'm ready. And then the letter H. Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Look at that. And then you would just turn off the microphone so it won't keep putting stuff on. But that, to me, is going to be a game changer. I just did a video the other day about putting stuff into wrapping a text around a bunch of text, and I had to cut and paste a bunch of text. With this, I could type out my text, and that only really works. So this is artistic text. We can go to text and convert it to a paragraph text, and then you could, if you had a lot of wordage, you could bring in your item and it would wrap around the text. So a voice command inside of Windows, the window key and the letter H. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit someday, and thank you for watching.